Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's Thursday. Giveaway day. Giveaway day, guys. Yeah, happy Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday. So how was your PM session yesterday? Wasn't bad, right? It wasn't bad yesterday. Not always just decided to do this on Thursday, but when I hit 25k on my YouTube, I will do week of giveaways. So we're close to 25k on YouTube. Let's hit this, I hope soon. And it's going to be week of giveaways. I mean, every single day is going to be giveaway. How about this one, guys? Like this? So we need to hit like 1,500 more people. And it's going to be a week of giveaways. Not only evaluation giveaways, I will do some more stuff. So yeah, let's see. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So, guys, how's your PM session? Share with me what you got yesterday. Our target on gold was hit. I was in this short on gold. Actually, from 5-minute OB that I mentioned before, just took so much time. Actually, I was to get 13 points or 12 points, I don't remember. I was in trade 80 minutes to get on the 12 or 13, I believe 12 points. I was like, happy I was working on new video presentation, so it didn't take like so much time, but just looking at the candlesticks, but overall, it was ugly. Well, this trade. Actually, I closed my trade almost at the bottom, so that was crazy as well. I was in this short over here. It was 13 points. Okay, 13 points. What time I normally trade between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. But since it was consolidation, let me turn on demonstration tool to show you. Since it was consolidation right here, it took a bit more time. So I wasn't even like interested in trading gold, but target was extremely obvious. I was like, okay, I'm going to just try this really small size just to like satisfy myself. Like I wanted to see my target, and I tried with 3 micros. So just to try because I had to try this. So right now, I'm not entirely sure about this entry, honestly, yet. So I don't like, overall seems a bit more bullish just yet. Probably I would like to see the closure below the swing low to validate this trade. Otherwise, like no interest just yet in trading gold. This morning I took 0 trades, just for your information. Like kind of no interest at all right now in anything. Really wants to be done with gold, but once again, I see nothing right now to trade. On NQ and ES, I would like to highlight 15-minute breakaway gap. So that's going to be my 2 key PD rays for today. Right here and right here. By the way, I started early today. How you like this? Because normally I start like 9:25, 9:30. Decided to start early today. So highlighted 15-minute fair value gaps on both ES and NQ going to be my key PD raise. So interesting, if you saw once PPI came out, you saw how MES, micro ES took London low while ES failed. So of course it makes me feel like we need to take this equal lows right here. Preferably today, but who actually knows? Yeah. I mean, look at good target. Yeah. Like only concern why micro ES like drop hard, and I'm going to open to show you right now. It's crazy, honestly. Look at this. How many points difference? Like a lot. Almost 10 points difference. I mean, I know micro ES and ES two different instruments, but I never seen like 10 points difference between micro ES and ES. That's crazy, right? Hmm. Why I feel like we need to take this London low on ES as well? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Well, let's keep our eyes on Q and ES right now. Okay. Still crazy, like never seen it before. Yeah, I remember like when we had huge ranges, it was March, I believe, when like 1 minute candle on Q was 100 points. And then yes, there was huge difference between micro NQ and NQ. Like sometimes it was 50 points difference, and I was like, I'm trying to analyze NQ, but on MNQ I need to have completely different analysis. Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah. What is the reason of difference? I don't know. I mean, I don't know really. Uh, I believe MNQ and Q micro ES are four different instruments, so of course they may move differently, but still crazy, right? So let's see. Let's see. Market is going to open in 10 minutes. Kind of strong reaction from weekly fair value gap. I'm going to just change this. I'm going to remove you because it was untapped fair value gap. So it makes me feel like move lower, not completed just yet. Would like to see slightly lower. Any bias yet? My only concern is yes. Overall, I would like to see NFP low on both yes and NQ. Um, so kind of makes sense to go lower today, but honestly, I stopped predicting this, especially like last 3 months, it just straight move up without any retracements. So about video on YouTube about gold and CL next week. So I almost completed presentation yesterday, finally. So yeah, I'm going to do this next week. At least my presentation is almost ready. So yeah, it's almost ready. I was working yesterday on this. It's going to be, straightforward model. Oops. So yeah, I hope it's going to help you. So you don't need to watch streamers to copy their trades. You can do this by yourself. Okay, guys, any other questions? I need to leave early today at 11, so I will start giveaway at 10. Guys, if I'm going to forget about 10 a.m. giveaway, just please remind me that I need to start giveaway at 10, so I will start this. And I will announce winners at 10:50, I believe. Just please remind me because, like sometimes I can forget about this. I use NinjaTrader and I use Copier NinjaTrader as well. Sometimes I trade TradeAway, but I hate TradeAway platform because I hate the chart. I don't know why. So most of the time I execute TradeAway account on TradingView, but almost never. So I mean, almost never during AM session. Sometimes, but no, almost never. Can I send you some levels? Of course, of course. Okay, that's interesting about great question about sweep. What I'm going to share, it's not going to be sweep. I call this like potential sweep. How on Twitter, you can share right now on Twitter. I will check immediately. Potential sweep, but how you can confirm potential sweep by 5-minute order block. So if we have potential sweep and we have 5-minute OB, so at this point, yes, I will look for the trade. You see my username at the bottom of your screen. It calls like Limit Traders. Send there or Instagram. Or I can just send you a link if you want for Twitter. But I guess you can find this by yourself. Potential sweep, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I'm just not sure if it's going to over 2R, honestly. Like maybe 1 to 1, but I know like about 2R, honestly. Like for example, right now it's not BD chart, 1 hour chart. Like we got potential sip and we already have 5-minute OB. So we got the closure below this up close candle. So for example, here's live example. Like right now, yeah, good point. Good point. Oh, thank you. And if you notice, probably if you trade in Q, same works for 30-minute chart on an NQ during PM session. Right after lunch, I would say 12, right after 12:30, almost every single time we have 30-minute SIP and 3-minute OB. So also like interesting observation to trade PM session. If I want to like trade something else, but not 2-minute model, it's going to be probably 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB. Or minute OB, but works also nice. I didn't trade this during IM session because I feel like IM session is very manipulated recently. So kind of hard to trust in Q, especially between 9:30 a.m. and 11. Maybe that's me, but oh yeah, you're gonna tweet me? Okay, I'm going to check right now. Just yeah, I see your message. Let me check. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you then. 1 second. Since we have time, I'm going to send you right now. I'm going to send you 2. 1 and 2. I send you. Check this. I send it 2, so you can check this. ICT books, I mean, ICT doesn't have book, but I'm not going to like do advertisement or something like this. Here. But I have my personal book about ICT. Crazy, right? So it's my personal book. It's 400 pages. It's not advertisement, so just trying to tell you. Yes, that's what I what I read and what I wrote. Is it good? I don't know. Like, ask people. Lots of people bought this. Lots of people use it, so I don't know. Like, ask them. Yeah, once we hit 25K on my YouTube, I will do huge giveaway, week of giveaways, and I will do giveaway of my book, hard copy, or you, if you want to ebook, it's going to be ebook. But I will do this. Let's hit 25K, guys. We need to less than 1,500 people. And it's going to be week of giveaways, week of giveaways. Hello, Rose. Hello, how are you? Well, market is about to open. Great week so far. Great week for me as well. So, surprisingly good week, finally. Hello, hello. Oh, it's not going to be week of giveaways this week. Once I hit 25K subscribers on my YouTube, I will do this. So, yeah. Let's hit 25K first. And we will plan giveaway. So, Tanya doing a week of giveaways? That's nice, by the way. I didn't know about this. So once again, I highlighted 15-minute fair value gaps in both yes and NQ. It was breakaway gap, so it's going to be probably my key level for today. You have never won giveaway. Pfft, you're not alone. Me too. You're not alone. I mean, I stopped trying. I stopped even trying. So, guys, you're not alone. We weren't born for this, looks like. So we got interesting volume imbalance, as you can see. Interesting, right? So let's see, price needs to go slightly higher. Once again, I'm watching 15-minute fair value gap on both yes and NQ to jump there. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. No, I mean 15-minute British fair value gaps right here and right here. So market is open. London high test, RTH test of London high so far. SMT. Let's see, both above New York midnight open so far. We have SMT, we have consolidation, accumulation. So power of 3, non-low time frame. Maybe the test of previous day low level, like RTH test. Let's see. Still no interest in anything right now. Just overall gold seems still bullish on 30-minute chart. Struggling. Look at this strong SMT between ES and NQ so far. Crazy. Minute chart on gold bullish because I would say it's still tricky. So kind of no interest right now on gold. I'm going to check CL right now. Feels like choppy everywhere. That's a bit annoying. On CL, would like to see slightly lower, but once again, don't see perfect target just yet. Kind of no interest yet. Yeah, CL has hourly sweep. It has 5-minute beta show. Kind of, I don't know, like no interest yet. Solid power of 3 on ES and lower time frame. Yeah, NQ struggling. I didn't need message comments, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, seems like gold builds in low resistance liquidity. Lots of failure swings, 30-minute bullish on gold. Hourly kind of, I would say tricky, just for now. On CL, would like to see slightly lower, like maybe 15-20 cents lower on CL. If we may drop there, it will be nice. So I don't really mind to see RTH test of previous day low level. So if ES may drop 3-4 points lower, will be nice. Like make big ICT community. I believe ICT community is huge already. Slightly higher. Yeah, let's see slightly higher overall. Because I feel like I would like to see maybe something like this. Let me connect Epic's accounts. A bit messy right now. CL is dropping. Nice to see this. Okay, I'm going to connect accounts. So sorry guys. Forgot to do this morning. Yeah, did this. So as I said on CL, I would like to see slightly lower. So looking at these weeks right here, like around 66.80 will be nice to see a 66.75 somewhere there. A bit not in sync right now. I believe yes already offered power of 3. We already got distribution. While an SMT at lows while it's a bit consolidating. I would like to see still higher. Once again, would like to see this 15-minute fair value gap. Just feels like we need to pump slightly higher. We still don't have first presented fair value gap. That's fine. On gold, let me see. Because 30 minutes on gold is extremely bullish. So I would like to see on gold 34.16 maybe. The question when? 16, 17. One more S. Hate it, honestly. Okay, first sign of Seek and Destroy so far. I mean, just annoying, but that's fine. I still would like to see slightly higher on both ES and NQ. Yeah. Just not ready to short this. If you bullish on NQ, just I'm kind of not ready to short this, honestly. That's my key area. I'm going to keep my eyes on this 50-minute fair value gap. Just a bit ugly because seems like NQ stayed inside distortion. Like nothing significant happened just yet. Oh yeah. So guys, sitting with zero trade so far. No complaints, but but hope to get something. Guys, at 10 a.m. please remind me to start giveaway at 10 a.m. Let me check. Where did you send this? I cannot see this. Instagram? Where? Instagram, right? So what levels you looking for? Because I see lots of levels, just don't really understand what level. Yeah, I see this message. What kind of levels you looking for? What this blue lines means? I'm going to do I'm sorry guys. Tradify giveaway. So on gold like 34, 16, 17. Oh, it's pumping. It's pumping so far. Eight, 90. I would like to see, honestly, where is my mouse? I honestly would like to see 931 level. Where is my eye icon? Right here. I'm going to keep my eyes on that level. A bit choppy, so I don't really interest in trading so far. Okay, at least we got first presented fair value gap. That's it. A lot of SMTs, but I'm probably going to ignore this. I mean, 15-minute fair value gap. Basically, bottom of this fair value gap. That's what I meant. 931. See this? It lines up. This wasn't beautiful. Well, let me check 20-minute chart. I'm going to just that. If you got 3-minute OB right here, and price tested this at 9:36. I know, like, honestly, I would like to see still higher, as I mentioned before. The question really if we pump there. That's the question. I just see this fair value gap a strong barrier for price to go higher. And I saw some people said we have level at 893. I believe we also have for our fair value gap there. So let me highlight this. Like volume imbalance here, and right above this we have fair value gap. Like this red area and this gray area are key levels, I would say. $9.45. Ah, okay. Tomorrow is Friday, right? SPX has sell side liquidity lower and has huge RTH gap lower. So let me highlight some open, close, open. Right now tested 50% of RTH gap. And once again, we have sell side lower. Okay, let's see if this level can be resistance for SPX to go lower. Let's see. You said we are now in short area. I would say I agree with you, especially just looking on SPX. I don't really see this really on NQ just yet. But SPX, like short area, these bugs. So need to get any signals of shorts. But I don't really see this on NQ just yet, to be honest. Yesterday when I closed my CL trade, it consolidated a little bit and then went to my TP. I was like, oh, that's amazing. But even like broke the roof, like went to the moon. But still a bit annoying. Yeah, always. Yeah, 2R. Yeah, like conservative. Right here, just bottom of R for a value gap, but yeah, preferably 2R. Yeah. I just, I found like I always wanted to aim like to get like 70 points in Q, 100 points in Q. Who cares? Like 2R be done for the day. Sometimes it's going to be 100 points, sometimes it's going to be 30 points, sometimes it's going to be 15 points. But who cares? Plan is plan. I don't need to have like 100 points every single day, right? It's stupid. Okay, let's see if NQ can go slightly higher. This red box. I don't want to see even like 15-minute bearish fair value gap, but first key level, P0 and high time frame is for fair value gap. So guys, let's see. If you just joined, guys, once we hit 25k subscribers, I will do huge giveaway, week of giveaways on my YouTube channel. So we need to have like 1500 more people to do this giveaway. So if you're new, just subscribe. So we will be closer to huge giveaways. It's not going to be only evaluations, by the way. It's going to be lots of different other different stuff. So let's see. Let's see. You will enjoy this. Connect with me there. What do you mean? Yeah, it has lots of failure things. This means it's trying to build low resistance. That's fine. But let's be honest, 30-minute chart still looks more bullish because once again, lots of failure swings. Yeah, exactly about low resistance. Like win rate, like it totally depends on the months because May was ugly, but June so far amazing, like 12 days, and I'm going to say this, and of course I'm going to have losing trade right after this, like 0 losing trade so far in June. But every single time when I announce this, next day is losing trade, so I'm not going to say this anymore at loud. So SMT indicator, yeah, I do this every single day. So I will put this right here so you can copy this if you want, like this. So NQ kind of struggling, still would like to see a 4-hour fair value gap, which is red box. Have you ever been disappointed with trade? Of course. Why are you even asking this? It was like 3 weeks ago. Of course. So half of April and May was like I was disappointed with my trading. I felt like I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, yeah, because I was trading NQ, and for some reason I was blind while NQ was shit. I'm so sorry. Gold and CL was nice, but what I did, I simply decided to cry and say like, NQ is garbage, so I'm not going to trade today. So I simply like most of the time I took 0 trades. It was annoying. I was disappointed with my trading. I was disappointed with myself simply because I decided to stay away from different markets. So it is what it is. No complaints here right now. Like I'm fine. Just a bit annoying. It's not my life anymore. I'm not going to lie. Like bad relationships over, isn't you? We have hard time. We have hard time. Come on, NQ, just tap this for value gap. That's all we ask. Let's check SPX real quick. Okay, we inside upper half of RTH gap. Let me add, by the way, beginning points and end point for this gap. So close to fill this gap. You're not going to forget. How long? I traded in Q for 2 years. Yeah, in June it's going to be 2 years. Before this, I was trading ES zero. Like I had zero issue with ES, but 2 years ago on summer, specifically in June, it was like barcoding. It was really like lots of volume imbalances. Chart looks so ugly, and I was like, "What is going on with ES?" Uh, and in June 2023, I switched trading in Q. Biggest mistake ever. If you see my oh, hello, hi. When it was like 2 years ago as well. Yeah, no complaints about any model, guys. If it works, it works. If especially if it works for someone but doesn't work for you, this means it doesn't work for you, not for everyone. So yeah, no complaints about models at all. I respect every model. What I traded before NQ, yes. Yes, most of the time. So on gold, it just stuck at my target levels I mentioned before, 24.17. So I don't see any other like continuation yet. I simply don't have targets still higher on gold. I believe target might be higher because gold still looks bullish. I don't see any invalidation yet, but hard to say what I'm looking for. Like 24.27 maybe on gold because lots of failures swing, so it's still market maker buy model. Can you show SMT indicator? I just did this like 2 minutes ago. Okay, guys, last time for today because I do this every single day. first, first payout. I don't remember honestly. It did not touch the fair value gap. That's illegal. Crazy. I'm not going to show SMT indicator settings anymore. No. Oh my god. What about SPX real quick? Strong rejection from 75% back to 25%. I believe sell side liquidity remains lower. Just, dancing between 75% and 25% so far. Crazy. Hmm. Just one concern once again. Guys, we're trying to reverse from volume imbalance. Am I right about this? I just don't see any other reason. Maybe I'm blind. Let me check on yes. Maybe on yes we hit something. It's still a reaction from volume imbalance and that's it. Kind of. Wanted to see slightly higher. What is SMT? I don't know. Like I don't use SMT indicator anymore. So I don't know. Cannot help you with this. Um yeah, still strange right now about this fair value gap. So I believe and I believed. So I want to see strong rejection from fair value gap or 15-minute fair value gap, where my eye icon right now is, but a bit more disappointed right now to see how it rejected from nowhere. I believe it's not from nowhere. So I would like to see, for some reason, I feel like I would like to see still higher. I don't know why, like at least right here, not right here, right here. Feels like a scam. Also, yes, fair value gap still higher. Oh yeah, order block by the way. Yeah. then yes. Just a bit annoying because I really want to see some sort of reaction from here. It was like less than 2 points away. And sometimes it's really tricky because you see textbook setup, but in reality, just fake. Like because reversal feels like from nowhere. But you're right about 4 hour OB. I'm sorry, guys. just, just try. Personally, for me, feels tricky right now to short this. I mean, I didn't mind to see like at least from here, like this, like this. Hate to see a situation what we have right now. Guys, I will pause the link for giveaway because no one remind me, of course. In order to enter giveaway, just fill this form. Going to pin the message right now. Guys, I pin the form in the chat. Fill this form, please. And I will start announcing winners at 10:50. Yeah, good luck. Wish you good luck, guys. It's 10 a.m., so we're waiting for silver bullet. 894. We didn't hit this. Yeah, I mean, your level lines up with bottom of floor for value gap. Colored magnet. So yeah, let's see. Just I don't know, it feels tricky right now to short this because really what made sense to me and makes sense still to me, go to flower for value gap. Did ICT Concept? No, he didn't. So if he going to visit us today, I hope so. We may ask him, but probably he will say like, "Watch my YouTube video about this." Because probably you put that between P and fair value gap. That's why he considers this as link. I have no idea why. Don't pay attention. Rainbow magnets, yeah. It's rainbow magnets. Guys, if you just joined, please enter giveaway right now. So I will start announcing winners at 10:50. So also, if you new here, once we hit 25K subscribers on my YouTube channel, I will do huge giveaway during the week from Monday to Friday. So if you new, just please subscribe. So you'll be closer to giveaway. It's not going to be only evaluations. It's going to be lots of different stuff. So giveaway. So in order to create account, you don't need to pay for anything. Just create account. Frank, when is your birthday? Hmm? What date? Some, okay, I will give you account at September 25 for free. It's going to be my present for you. Today is your birthday. And tomorrow. Yeah, I swear to God, Frank, just when it's going to be your birthday, send me a message. I will do this. On gold, I will keep you updated. So nothing right now. Any trades on gold? No trades on gold yet. So it's still nothing interesting. It feels bullish, but I don't really interest in gold just right now. I keep in my eye, so I will keep you updated if I see setup. Because Frank comments under every single post on Twitter and YouTube. He's saying like, if I'm not going to win, it's going to be scam. So I decided to give him account on his birthday. So he deserves this. So, and you, what about to touch for value gaps and drop? I'm just asking, trying to understand. So still trying to respect 2-minute fair value gap on OB. So you need to buy any TradingView account. You just need to create account on their website. That's it. Yes, looks a bit tricky right now, consolidating. Every single AM session choppy, so but PM session is nice. I will not be able to trade PM session. I mean, I will be able to trade this after 2 p.m., but most likely I will miss everything because I'm not going to be at home. I'm not going to have even my laptop with me. Maybe on my phone we'll try to do something, but most likely not. It's just fair value gap. Don't be rude. Be polite with this fair value gap, please. I will announce winners at 10:50 a.m. today, obviously. 43 minutes to participate. Yeah. Well, yeah, compare M and Q with NQ. That's annoying. M and Q hit my levels. See this? M and Q, beautiful job. Amazing market. I told you it was reversal from nowhere. Who shorted? I feel sorry for you. Every single time when I see clean setup, textbook setup, but it was from nowhere, it's going to be stop loss immediate. 100%. 101%. It just was from nowhere, in my humble opinion. I said this before. Well, guys. By the way, it also offered SMT. Most of my mistake, even like in May and April, was I saw like textbook setup, but reversal from nowhere. I was like, let's trade this. Why not? What's setting for SMT indicator? Are you serious right now? Tell me it's a joke, please. I showed this 3 times already today. I cannot keep this on my chart permanently. Need to create. I need to create post on Twitter and put this in highlights or how it goes, like with indicator settings. So see my huge eye icon. In my perfect world, I would like to see this one. But see, like 0 setups were short. So far, like maybe can continue going higher. Yeah, I already said, like IM session feels like very manipulated for some stupid magical reason. But I feel like PM session moves exactly as IM session moved when Biden was president. Because when Biden was president, I had zero issue with trading AM session. I mean, right now it also like that doesn't look bad. Just saying. But overall, agree with me, PM session is brilliant. Amazing. Classic ICT setups, classic market maker models every single day. Drop from market close. That's, by the way, interesting point. That's interesting point, yeah. Never was looking at market close. I mean, daily candle closer. Yeah, when I am consolidate, PM is expand. Exactly. So yeah, yesterday, who wants to agree with me? Yesterday PM session was textbook PM session. It was classic unicorn setup, like classic 2022 model. Like what else do we need? Absolutely nothing. Brilliant price action yesterday during PM session. Cannot say no. I can say IM session was also nice. So no complaints about yesterday, but I saw yesterday some people complaining about like price action during IM session. I was like, seriously? Like if you want to compare price action like from last week or 2 weeks ago, yesterday PM session and AM session was brilliant. So I mean like, why you expect to get like, what else you expect to get from this? I was like, I know like IM session was textbook, PM session was textbook, but you saying like it was garbage? I mean like, what is not garbage for you then? Sure, John. Okay, also it rejected from volume imbalance, but I still cannot trust volume imbalance for some magical reason. I don't know, like it's just hard for me to believe in this. I'm fine with high time frame for value, guys, for example, but volume imbalances, I know like why, but I still cannot trust them. When price trying to reject from volume imbalance, I feel like it's from nowhere every single time, guys. Yes. Yesterday was textbook. IM offered my M2 model, PM offered my M2 model, PM offered like millions different setups, textbook setup unicorn on 5-minute chart, 2022 model, RDC 5-minute OB, like millions different models yesterday, especially for PM session. I know, like, in my opinion, yesterday was one of the best days, like overall, for the last 4 weeks. It's not because of I'm queen of shit price action, because it was really nice price action. You could get 2R like on every setup. Even if you trade this on, for example, on paper money account, that's fine because at least you practice this. Or if you saw this in real time, that's also nice. But yesterday was amazing. Like no complaints. It's just struggling, but trying to take this 15-minute fair value gap. And something wrong with my mouse again. Let me turn on and turn off this and turn on again. I charge you, so what's wrong with you? Maybe I need to change this already, but it's not that old. Strange. Strange. But yeah, it's old. Already like more than 2 years. I know, guys. I don't care about profiles, honestly. I see market in terms of market maker model. And market maker model happens on every single time frame. So I don't need to care about profile for PM session or AM session. If it hit high time frame level over smart money reversal, we inside market maker model. That's it. So never took the high. I mean, this trade is 2R, but honestly, I don't want to see here. I said this many times already, but you got my point. On yes, same level. Probably need to change my mouse. How can I connect this small one? It's for what? This one? That's for my laptop. How can I have two mouse. I have like small, cute pink mouse, but because my big mouse for some reason lagging recently, so I need to change this, I guess. How can I connect this? It's lagging so bad. It's really annoying. Show Bluetooth device. How it goes? Let's do one. I need to hold this, I believe. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm going to connect this. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to change my mouse right now. Add device. Okay. Bluetooth. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Connecting. Going to use... Oh yeah, I'm going to use cute pink mouse today. Oh, much better. So it's not lagging anymore. I tried this yesterday, so that's strange. I even charged this. I disconnected and connected this Bluetooth stuff. I know, like, it's lagging recently. Going to use this cute one. See this perfect one? Pink one. Yeah, overall market moves in terms of market maker model on every single time frame. Even right here, it's still a market maker buy model on lower time frame. So so oh, that's so it's not loud. That's beautiful. Why didn't I use this before? So it's so close to this 15-minute fair value gap. It will take this, I believe. Even on yes, we should take this. How many points we away? Like 41. Once again, like, of course, this trade could offer more points than like 2R, but like, I don't know, like, I feel like perfect with 2R recently. I know, like, as ICT traders, you can argue with me, but probably you will agree with me in your mind. As ICT traders, we always want to look for reversal. Am I right? We always want to find like right here, smart money reversal. It's inversion. That's order block. I'm going to short. I'm going to long. I cannot do anything with this, but I know that's bad. Most ICT traders cannot trade continuation. You can argue about this with me. I don't care. But most ICT traders, including me, cannot trade continuation. What we need to do with this information? Something. I don't know, like, need to work on this. Because I know, like, for some reasons, people who trade smart money concept here to trade trend lines breaks. What's wrong with this? Because when we have trend line breaks, it's just best entry ever. Best entry ever. But people, for some reason, refuse to believe in this. You're always looking for change. You see, like, that's me. I don't sell any courses and not going to sell anything. So everything available for free on YouTube. I always say, like, education must be free. Giveaway time, guys. See pin. If you just joined, see pin message. Going to send this in another chat. Give me 1 second. Where's my WhatsApp? Put my link there. See pin message in the chat to enter giveaway. And I'm going to announce winners in 30 minutes. SMT, are you serious? Okay, guys. Last time. Not going to show this anymore. That's my 5th time to show this. YM is great. Lots of people are trying to tell me this. I need to backtest this because I'm fine with any other markets, but I never traded. I tried to trade YM maybe like 2 times, 3 times, but here's settings. So you can connect up to 2 instruments for SMT. Hope it helps. Yeah, you're welcome. Just, I'm going to show this last time today. Today is a game, hockey game. I'm waiting for this. Who watched the last game, Panthers? It was crazy game. Today it's going to be 4th game. Like, yeah, it's 4th game today. Waiting for 8 p.m. So excited. Still need to go slightly higher, as I said before. This 15-minute fair value gap, I'm waiting for this right now. If you're still on this long, so I'm happy for you. Just once again, 2 hours, all you need. I live in Florida. This is my kids, by the way, guys. See? It was yesterday. This two little... This my son and this my son. They play in hockey as well. The little boys. They're so cute and this it's just so cute overall. Like lots of small kids there playing hockey. That's youngest one, that's oldest one. Yeah. He's 5, he's 4. Like 17 months apart. Yeah. Ask them to trade in queue. Yeah, it was so cute yesterday. Lots of small kids there. That's kind of like, I'm like, yeah, that's so cute. They playing hockey. Small kids there, so it was so funny to see. So my kid's 17 months apart. I would say best decision to have like small difference between them so they can play together. They even look like twins. Did not touch 15-minute fair value gap yet. 11 months. That's even better, by the way, 11 months apart. My oldest son, Nathan, is going to be 6 in August. So, yeah, he's going to go to first grade already. Crazy, right? But I'm not going to have more kids. That's crazy. I cannot imagine I have like third kid. I'm like child free. No girls, no boys. That's it. Two enough for my life. Why? Don't even ask why. Like, come on. Two boys. That's answer. I'm mentally not ready for another kid. 5 kids. Oh, I saw parents who had 5 kids. I was like, you crazy? 5 kids? Come on, just enjoy your life. You don't need more kids. Like 5 kids, crazy. That shouldn't happen. Nope. No, thank you. So feels like a scam right now on NQ. See this? See this? Do you have? I have 2. Crazy, right? I just saw the picture of them. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 boys. So yeah. They're not twins. They're 17 months apart. I already showed them before. With me. Just 17 months apart. See them? Yeah. 2 boys. They look like in CUNY, yes. Exactly. that's great comparison, by the way. You never mentioned your heart. I remember the day when someone asked him if he's in danger type 6 and he typed 6 twice. Then I was thinking about divorce, but then changed my mind. He visits us like from time to time. I'm not sure if he's here right now. Type 6, if you're here right now, just let us know. I don't think so. He is in life right now, honestly. So in case struggling, just need to reach this 15-minute fair value gap. Silly. No, I wish, but it's no, that's not true. Uh, he traded yesterday, by the way. He did even better than me. I was like, what? Stop scamming me. He was smarter than me yesterday. It was his executions. Like, why I cannot do this as well sometimes? It was his trade yesterday, and he sent me like, I took this. You didn't take this. I cannot call him a trader, but sometimes he has so nice executions. But I'm not. Anyway, I also was in that trade yesterday, but my entry was like 10 points lower. I posted this on Twitter, by the way. But his entry was better. No, he trades standard deviations. So he use how it goes. He uses this see this guy's standard deviation. It's not regular standard deviation, but he uses one. This standard deviations to trade. Yeah, this one. So just study. If you want to study this, so lots of available videos on YouTube. I can share the link. He sent me a link for how he studied this, so I can share with you if you want. But he trades of these levels, like standard deviation levels. But it's not projections. It's standard deviation. It's completely different stuff. Yeah, my husband, yes. This stuff. Like, I don't really know how it works. But I would say it's pretty similar to StatMap. Like, pretty similar. I would say idea, same one. Manipulation, yes, exactly. It's idea, I would say pretty similar to StatMap. Just saying. Guys, you need this indicator? I can send the link if you want. You can play with this, but lots of available videos about this on YouTube. You can study some. Yeah, like perfect targets, 0.5 levels. And according to videos that I was watching, like almost every single time, two standard deviation is going to be point of reversal if we may go there. It's like top level or bottom level. So price most likely, I don't remember what the percent of this, but 80% I believe will reverse from two standard deviation if may hit this. So yeah, you can watch this on YouTube. Lots of available videos on this for free. So I send the link in the chat if you want to try this. Struggling right now. That's pretty much it. That's only trade I saw on NQ. That's it. I don't see any other longs if you ask me for long. Only this setup I saw. That's it. So this standard deviation is not projections. It's not like how we draw projections from manipulation. Like it's not about this. It's different. Oh, ninja trade. Okay. It's not exactly. It's not projections. It's just different stuff. What platform I use? I use today, for example, Epix and Funded Next Futures, like two prop firms, because my Epix accounts is Rhythmic accounts. I got Funded Next Futures TradeAway account, so I can copy across them. All accounts 50K. 50K. Can we look for short at 1 p.m.? I cannot see the future, but if you see price trading above 1 p.m. open, offers 2-minute OB, you can try. My only concern in VP low, honestly, lower. What time is this? Guys, 17 minutes left to participate in giveaway, please. Participate in giveaway right now. And if you just joined, I already said it 3 times, but I'm going to repeat again. Once we hit 25K subscribers on my YouTube, I will do week of giveaways. Lots of different stuff to give away, not only evaluations. So subscribe. 1,400 people, and I will start giveaways like overall. It's not going to be this week, obviously, but next week probably. But today, Tradify giveaway, so hope you will enjoy this. So right now you see pin message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up and participate in this giveaway. I will announce winners in 17 minutes, in 16 minutes already. Also, guys, working on a new video on YouTube that I'm going to post next week. So I posted 2 weeks ago about M2 model. If you want to trade PM session today with this model, watch this before 1 p.m. And next week I will post a video how I trade pre-market on gold and CL. But it should work everywhere. But idea is how I trade this doing pre-market. It's just personal preference. Absolutely for free. On anything, you can just skip this part. Or just types, I don't know, like smiley face. Another step, I don't see any other setup. So my target at this move up is 15-minute fair value gap. Right now I see absolutely nothing. Feels like a scam right now to not take this level. So kind of nothing yet. Nothing yet. Yeah, guys, I almost finished working on presentation, so just need to record this. It will take 1 hour maybe. I believe I will record this on Monday, and we'll try to post on Monday or Tuesday. See how price stuck at this 0.5% level of the standard deviation? I believe it's not coincident, honestly. Minor SMT. That's it. I don't see any other information just yet. That's it. Pretty much distortion seems like. Oh no, I no longs anymore. So I just like logically makes sense to go 15-minute fair value gap. Only guys, if you keep asking me if I'm on trade, but no, if it's 2 hours done, I'm going to be done. 2 hours, that's it. So I'm going to aim for conservative levels. I mean, for runners maybe, but I decided to like practice to aim for 2 hours and that's it. That's it. But I would like to see higher. If you in this long trade, I don't know, 15-minute fair value gaps makes lots of sense to me. 0 sense not to take this level. Just need to pump 6 more points. 6 more points, please. 0 reason not to take this level, especially on both. Yes, thank you. They playing games. That's the most annoying part. Oh, here we go. By the way, guys, don't forget to like the stream. So I do my best, you know. So don't forget to like. I will appreciate this. Okay, inside 15-minute fair value gap. That was my barrier, like resistance, strong resistance level. Let's see. So right now I might start looking for what a move. Let's be honest, like slow and annoying, right? Like, share, and subscribe. Yes, please. On gold, I didn't see setup on gold just yet. As you can see, it seems like it's still low resistance. See this? Like, see how many failure swings? I believe it will be ready to drop once we can break this trend line. Hello, Michael. We have a question for you. Don't you mind if I ask you? I was waiting for you last week. Can I ask you? Michael will say, done for the day. Yes, we will ask you about first presented fair value gap. Yeah, I was waiting for you like last week. I saw you had some problem with your family. So still inside 15 minutes. FG. Yeah, our question. I'm not sure if Michael here still because he's silent right now, but can we use 9:30 a.m. as first presented fair value gap? We need to know we know answer. Please tell us. Because look at this fair value gap today at 9:30 a.m. Like we must use this as first presented fair value gap. I just most of the time, like lots of time, guys, 9:30 a.m. fair value gap was brilliant entry. But it's not first presented fair value gap, just fair value gap. And yeah, my question, because he mentioned sometimes like 9:30 a.m. I still confused about this, honestly. It's not stupid question. You want to answer? Tell us. Conditions for using 9:30 a.m. as first presented fair value gap. Why not? Tell us. It's not only my question. Lots of people like confused about this. In one video, he said we can use 9:30 a.m. In one video, he said we cannot use this. So, okay, I'm going to ask you right now in the chat, so you will not miss my message. Ask you. It's not only my question. Like lots of people asked about this. We need to know for sure. Because, for example, for today, would you use first presented fair value gap at 9:30 a.m. or 9:38? Because in my opinion, perfect play was today of this first presented fair value gap, especially we traded into order block, SMT, like lots of confirmation this fair value gap. Pin the question. Give away pin right now. You cannot pin this question right now. Yeah, 9:30 or 9:38. I mean, honestly, I would use 9:30 a.m. fair value gap as first presented fair value gap. That's a good question, by the way, I believe. Oh, I got it. That's interesting. Let me take screenshot of this because people ask me on Twitter about this. Oh my god, Streamlab, are you serious? Thank you. I got screenshot. Thank you. That's a good point, by the way. See, guys, we can use 9:30 a.m. fair value gap sometimes. Yeah, see this? We could use because we got 8:30 a.m. High impact data today. I know, like Streamlab hate dots between words. No, just I took screenshot of this. It's Streamlab. Don't pay attention. I got I got it. So I took screenshot. He said, "Let me copy and paste." Here's his comment. I'm just going to remove dot between P and F. This is what he said. Take screenshots. We got the answer, see this? It was deleted by Streamlab, not by Michael. Here we are. Yeah, thank you, Michael. That helps really. I took screenshots, so don't worry. I will post this on Twitter. So we finally got the answer. Doo, doo, doo. Where it was. Desktop. Yeah. Well, inside 15-minute fair value gap, honestly seems like this play was only played today. Other stuff was garbage. Can we see? I mean, my journal is in TradeZella, so I already showed this before. Yeah, this long was not only from fair value gap, for example, right here, but also from 3-minute OB over here. Let me extend this. Like we got the closure, quick retest, continuation. I don't actually use 1-minute chart. I hate it honestly, because when it's chop, it's so hard to trade 1-minute chart. Guys, if you just joined, 30 minutes left to enter giveaway. Just see pinned message in the chat to enter giveaway. ICT is the best, yes, exactly. So to enter giveaway, and yeah, I'm going to do 3 accounts, TradingView accounts. So it's going to be 3 different types of accounts. Where it was. We'll do screenshots right now. Giveaway today, 3 different types of accounts with TradingView Advanced, Growth, and Straight to Funded. So first I will do giveaway for Advanced, then for this one, and then for Straight to Funded. Next week you'll do more giveaways, of course. So every week I'm going to do giveaways, just different prop firms. But once we hit 25K subscribers, I will do big giveaways. So yeah. So let's see. Yeah, it's Russian accent. Exactly so. See how we stuck inside 15-minute fair value gap? Oh, you finally found me? That's good. I'm not from Russia, by the way. I'm from Belarus. It's next to Russia. Same idea. A lottery. Okay, one more day of good price action on NQ. Guys, 10 minutes left to enter giveaway. 10 minutes left. Guys, just tell me. Question, serious question, like really important question. Why people so rude with me when they send me message like hi, hello? Of course I ignore this. Then like you never reply me. Like this like like I'm not polite and this really sounds rude right now. And like hello, hi. What should I answer? What should I reply on this? Like every single time they do this. I mean like what? What do you expect to get from me? Because okay, he's going to send me, or she's going to send me hello. I'm going to answer hi. Then it's going to take like 3-4 hours to ask the question. Why you cannot ask the question with hello? And I'm going to answer and we will forget about this. No. Like hello? And that's it. What's the point? If you have question, just ask question. We'll not waste our time on this together. Always hate this. Okay, okay. Just right now, I see like hello and what's I supposed to do with this information? Full ports, and Bison never full ports this accounts. But actually, I have a dream to try to full port evaluation. Just it's like to satisfy myself, like CPI or NVP one day to just full port evaluation to see how it works. Because guys, when I see like question, like hello and question, I try to reply. Just lots of questions every day, but I try to reply. I do my best. But when I see hi and that's it, I never going to reply. Just for information. They just don't say hi. I mean, I say hello every single day to you guys. Full port. Bad practice, right? No wonder you never reply. How many accounts like for entire my prop firm trading career, I blew 20 accounts. A bit more, 24 accounts. Total. Total. For 3 years. I know, like it's a lot. Maybe not. For 3 years. 24 accounts. That's a lot? Tell me. I already like I was transparent with this, but I'm going to share this again. Like really, nothing to hide. How can I let me source this? This is my Apex accounts ending numbers. Like I know lots of people blow this. Take a screenshot in real time, by the way. Ending numbers on my PA accounts. Oops. See this? Ending number on my PA accounts. Funded accounts with Apex. Am I gambler? Let me see. I don't think so. See this? How many traders can actually show this? Show this? How many traders can show you last numbers, especially influencers on funded accounts? I blew them, so as you can see, I have 21, 22, 23, 24. That's why I said 24. So 4 was from here, from this PAs. So I don't have 7 to 10. It's 21 to 24 right now. I don't risk more than $300 per trade. Yes, I still use. I mean, I trade personal trade funded accounts. It's very hard to pass. I know, like, guys, I'm not going to lie right now. I'm going to be honest. I pass these accounts for less than 1 minute. With 3 minutes, I believe. I trade I didn't even trade 4 minutes. I traded 3 minutes, got immediately like more than 50 points on. I just was at the right time, I would say. It was textbook setup, immediately went in my favor. So it was just quick pass. With 3 minutes. I even didn't full port this, like 3 minutes. No, it was just regular day. It was just 50 points, 51 points, I believe. A bit more. It just was right time, I believe. And went in my favor immediately. Because if it was like high impact news, most likely it could be a loss simply because of drawdown. Yeah, guys, you know, when you trade funded accounts, I know lots of people trying to full port them, like lots of minutes. I prefer like base hit, even if it's going to be just $300 or $400. That's it. That's it. I'm going to go slow. Yes, I'm going to trade this with micros, and I don't care about what people will think about this. So I'm not going to trade them with minis, especially Apex accounts. I'm going to take the slow. I prefer in Q, but recently I trade gold on Apex accounts. Two micros, see, absolutely nothing wrong with this. 2 micros, that's fine. See, like people who trade this, take this slow, trade this careful. I respect you guys. Because when I see like, I'm not going to hate someone right now. When I see people post like Apex P&L, like when it's like $7,000 in each account, $10,000 in each account, obviously they simply full port this. I don't see like I need to be proud of this, honestly. Even one micro can be perfect, honestly, once again. Yeah, I mean, guys, if you see huge profit on Twitter, just you don't need to be the same, trust me. When you see huge profit, this means they full port this. Not because they were able to catch 500 points. Just trust me. Most likely they full ported like 5-10 minutes to get 20-30 points. You probably will notice they never ever show executions. They simply post like P&L. Think about this. Why? Lots of people like this, so because when people full port, I never see this. Like I need to be proud of this, honestly. Guys, 1 minute left to enter giveaway, and that's it. Full portion, like they entered maximum available contracts. For example, it can be 8 minutes, it can be 10 minutes. But most likely, when you see huge profit for the day, they didn't do this with 1 minute. Trust me. Most likely, they do this more than 5 minutes. Just trust me. Guys, one more minute to enter giveaway, and I need to go. Let me prepare the form. Going to disconnect accounts right now. Okay. No one will tell you this, guys. I will tell you because it's true. And once again, it's not hate. It's just true. That's just how it works. Okay. Let's start giveaway, guys. How many people participated? Oh, lots of people. Okay, guys, 10 more seconds to participate. And that's it. Yeah, 425. Oh, lots of people today. That's it. That's it. By the way, let me take a screenshot. First number is 11. First number is 11. Okay. Going to do screenshot to just pause this winners under this screenshot. Okay, advanced. Winner for advanced is 11. Hope I win this. You did this. So first winner for this account, advanced, is this guy. I don't know who it is, but congratulations. Next account. 192. Okay. $192 is. Oh, that's you. Congratulations. So next winner for this growth account is going to be this guy or girl. Congratulations. And straight to funded, I would say best option right now. So you don't need to pass evaluation. You will get straight to funded. Is 325. Congratulations. So 325 is winner today on this giveaway. Best option ever. Thank you, Dasha. Oh, I know who is this. I believe. Just looks familiar. Straight to funded. Congratulations, guys. Next week, I will do more giveaways. You got straight to funded. Congratulations. So you don't need to pass evaluation. You will be funded immediately. Congratulations, guys. So, guys, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. I need to go. Thank you for participating. More giveaways coming. So, guys, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.